Today we're going to take a look at how to sand large areas of filler quickly without working too hard. We'll start with a cheese grater blade or a Stanley Surform 21-299. It gets you real close without working too hard or breathing too much dust. Here's what it looks like after cheese grating. Next we'll be using a fresh sheet of 40 grit sandpaper on a Bondo hog. And you always want to use a nice sharp piece of sandpaper to cut through the filler and not just follow the contour. Here's a close-up shot after the Bondo hog. Next we'll finish up with 40 grit on a 10-inch block. Finally, after block sanding, we just have a couple of low spots to take care of. We're ready to DA sand and prime this area. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to sand large areas of filler quickly. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.